All right, so we're here with Ellie, one of our lead technicians, and what she is doing is she is slivering the strip, and then from the slivering, it'll go to the other technicians where they separate them into their individual grafts, 1 hairs, 2 hairs, 3 hairs, and 4s. So slivering is very important because you got to have the right technique. If you don't know what you're doing, you can damage a lot of follicles. And if you damage a lot of follicles, it'll result in a weak result overall. So we sometimes get some patients that come in and they did 2,000 grafts and only maybe 1,000 grew. And it's because maybe the follicles weren't slivered right, they weren't separated right. So it isn't only having a good surgeon as a team, you better have a good set of technicians assisting that know what they're doing, because if not, you can get a very weak result and not get your money's worth and not get the result you're searching for. So this is what we do as far as slivering, and I'll come over here so you can see them. There they are now in their slivered state, and then from there they will be cut into their natural state of 1, 2, 3s and 4 hair units. So that is the slivering stage.